homemade Liberian shortbread. In a bowl, I put in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I add in 1 cup of sugar. I add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Guys, please use a standard measuring cup. And I add in 1 tablespoon of nutmeg and a little salt. And then I mix well. I took my time and mix all of the ingredients evenly so that there won't be part that won't have the mixture. I mix it well. After mixing, I add 1 cup of butter, and then I use my clean hands to mix it. I mix it very well. I have to do some of this process out of camera because it took me time. I mix it very well. After mixing, I set aside and mix my wet ingredients. And for my wet ingredients, I have 2 eggs. You can use 1 egg, but as I said, it's a homemade shortbread, so I make it delicious, flavorful as I want it. Yes, I mix very well. After mixing, I add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Shake it, you guys. Shake that vanilla well. I add in exactly 1 tablespoon. I mix also, and then I add in 1 cup of milk and mix together. Yes. After mixing, I now had to put it in my mixed flour and butter. I had to put it in bit by bit because I don't want a mixture that will be too watery. So I have to put in it bit by bit, mix, and then I noticed that I still needed additional fluid, so I added the remaining fluid that left. So which means I use everything that I mix. The 2 eggs and the 1 cup of milk. I mix it, and this is how it looks. This is the result after mixing. It shouldn't be too watery. It shouldn't be too dry. Just in the middle. Just like this. Yes. After mixing, I have my baking pan that I have already greased. I use butter to put in the pan, guys. If you have oil spray, you can use, but I use butter. And then I put in my mixture. I put in my baking pan, and I use the fork to evenly distribute it into the pan. You see, I put in all of it. So I have to take my time to evenly distribute it into the pan so that I will have it to bake very well on every side, not one side baking and I'm struggling to bake the other side. So I have to distribute this evenly, and then it was good, as you can see. I now take to my oven. I now put in my already preheated oven, and then I bake it for 30 to 45 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Look at this. This is the result. Very, very crumbly on the outside and soft like butter on the inside. Yes, this is my signature Liberian delicious shortbread. That's how we call it, shortbread. Yes, I'm going to put it in my plate so that I will show you how the inside of this bread look. Very yummy. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Yes, very soft. And then I cut it. Look. If you like, you can put butter in it to eat it, but I love to eat it like that. Look. This is very soft. The inside is soft and the outside is crunchy. This is how it look. You can either put butter in or you eat it like that. Yes, guys, this is it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.